welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to recap our first month on our boat, which is pretty exciting. We got to stay at Longboat Key, and we have some fun little stuff to show you. Yay! Yay!
During our first month, we got to enjoy the resort lifestyle, made friends with animals, rode out our first hurricane, and even got to do some circus. We spent our first month in Longboat Key, Florida at Longboat Key Club Moorings, and it was a really great spot.
There she is, guys. She did it. 3 days with 2 newbie sailors, and we made it to our marina.
We spent the first few days just unpacking and getting the boat settled for living in.
Look at all this shelf space. You gotta load it up with the rest of your toys.
What you got going on, babe?
Hi, you're making us a little photo wall.
Oh, look at you. That's a pretty cute picture for us.
That's how I see Oakley.
I also took care of some projects pretty early on, which included making a new companionway hatch that would fit our AC, would be watertight, and would allow City to get out more easily. There were also some leaks in our port lights that needed to be tended to, as well as I needed to clean out our water tank, which had been sitting unmaintained for a couple years. I want you to try this cup of water.
It's chlorine.
Shh. No, this came out of the Zephyr Hills bottle.
No, it's good. I don't taste the chlorine at all.
Really?
Yeah.
I smell it a little bit.
It smells really clean. I'll try it. Tangy.
I think if you didn't say it, I don't know that they would
We
know.
need to do the test again without telling them.
Yeah. All right, so we're in the bilge, or actually, I'm sorry, we're in the engine room, and we're about to do a project. We noticed there's some water in the bilge, which I will show in a second, and we were able to determine that the water is coming from the water heater. So today, Oakley and I are going to just make a little bypass for the water heater so that no more water goes into it. And then, I don't know, sometime in the future, I will actually remove the water heater. We're thinking about actually not replacing it because we don't really use the hot water on the boat, and it's just one more thing to fail. So, okay, so here's the water in the bilge. We figured out it was from the water heater because I dipped my finger in it and I tasted it and it was fresh, and that was fortunate that it was not wastewater. And yeah, then I was actually back there. There's another access over there, and I could just see that it was dripping from the water heater, so I know that's where the leak is at. I think this tank is pretty old, like maybe close to 20 years, so I think it's just corroded and that's why it's leaking. But once I get the hoses off, I can take a look. All right, here we are. I got the heater all bypassed. Just the hoses are there just to keep whatever coolant and water is left in the tank And then I have this nylon barb, which now makes this just a big loop.
Yeah, so one of the fun things that I got to do this year and like while we were moving on the boat was compete on A&W, and it was really cool. I had like a really good season this year, and they even featured us living on a boat. We got to see some behind the scenes clips of us sailing. So you should definitely go check it out. If you want to check out my whole episode on American Ninja Warrior, check the link down in the bio.
Or like up here or up here. I don't know.
Oh, or down in the, not the bio, in the
Description.
yeah. Check the link down in the description.
There'll be a link somewhere.
There'll be a link.
Yeah, one of the cool things though about the American Ninja Warrior filming is that the timing all works out. That we were about to buy this boat, and our friends at Sailboat actually let us borrow their boat, captain it while A&W was filming. So it was really cool to see some time to work out. We got to kind of experience more.
Yeah.
Show people you could be a mom and you can still have fun hair and you can live on a boat. You can be a ninja athlete.
After we got settled into the boat, we really took full advantage of living at this beautiful marina that had resort facilities. We took several trips to the pools, went to the beach, and even made friends with some of the wildlife there.
City's latest fashion shoes, Lobster Mania.
Well, this is gonna be Oakley.
Yeah, we originally bought them for Oakley, but they didn't fit, so he's got another pair.
Yeah, but Ziggy's getting one of these stores on the main massage.
Yeah, get it. There you go. Go down.
Was it good?
Yeah, that was great.
It had sound with it too. There's a galaxy behind us. It looks so pretty. Ramen is spicy. Ramen.
We just got back from the store. We got the mommy and the baby manatee right next to our boat. Hi, little baby. I think the mom is like sleeping.
Wake up, Mom.
Wake up, Mom. Wake up. Alright, so one of the things that me and the kids have been doing is whenever we see a cool marine creature or new animal, we've been trying to learn some cool facts about them. And what did we learn about the manatee?
Nothing. It can breathe underwater for like 20 minutes.
Yeah, so they can hold their breath for like 20 minutes, but they normally come up every 5 minutes. And people used to think that they were mermaids.
Yeah.
So they're the OG mermaid of the ocean, I guess. But they are the most similar animal to a marine animal to an elephant. This. We have a duck following us. Hey, little guy. He's quacking at us. I think he thinks we have food or something. Hey! I know, we don't have food. Sorry. We gotta go fishing.
I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know
That's a little baby hammerhead.
I think I've waited all these years for you right here. But how will I ever know?
If you've been following along, you'll know that we took the kids on their first sail while we were there as well. Video in the description. Alright, here we are. Elsa starting to arrive. Wind getting into the 20s. Our plants are starting to shake because the mast is shaking. Babe, any words of wisdom? Very wise. Wiser words never spoken. Okay, well, I'm trying to record, but
Oh, now you get some good commentary.
yeah, you're in the way.
Oh. That's a good one.
Go back down in your hole.
Some weighted
Guys, it is blowing so hard. Look at that. 40 knots of wind. It's crazy. How's it going, babe? The boat's heeling so much that occasionally I can see water out the windows behind you.
I think it's time to start drinking.
Is it time to drink?
I already feel sweaty and dizzy, so I feel like I might as well.
I don't know if drinking under a tropical storm watch is the best idea.
I thought we were gonna drink for every 40 mile per hour gust.
Oh, well, we're good. Right now we can go. We can go for it. You mentioned something about like a new like tradition, hurricane tradition.
Yeah, so this is the first annual ever hurricane party. We're having our favorite comfort food. And we're going to be drinking. And
What is our favorite comfort food?
fettuccine alfredo.
Yeah, that's right.
So good.
Don't have red wine though, unfortunately. Should I go run to Publix real quick?
Good luck getting off the boat and then back on it.
We'll have to make do. Thank you.
I thought you were ready to straight out of the pot.
Out here, checking the lines. Everything's looking pretty good. It's a little bit windy still. But yeah, it's a good day. Is it a good day? I don't know. Coming in hot, babe. There you go. It's a pretty good angle. I'll tilt it just a little bit so you're in there. That's on you. I'm cute. I'm ready to go.
The light's not hitting my face.
It's the morning after Elsa, and we're fine. We're alive. We're well. I did a pre-coffee inspection of the boat, and so far so good. I don't see anything obviously broken. So, yeah. Babe?
I slept like a baby.
She did. She went to bed, and then I stayed up for a few hours and checked. I went outside and checked all of our lines again. The one in the front on the bow was doing a lot of work. I could see it from the porthole, and like every good gust it would like pop, and it was making me nervous that it was gonna like rip out the cleat, or that the rope might have been getting frayed where it was kind of like bending. But no, it was all good.
It's good.
It was pretty intense. At one point it had like sustained 30s and was kind of like gusting into the 40s. And that was pretty intense. Like the boat was rocking a lot. I was standing on the high side and I could see the water, you know, out the porthole, like looking. We're at a steep enough of an angle that I could see. Anyway, anything else to add, babe?
I liked our pasta.
Yes, we had an amazing meal. We thought it might be our last, but it was.
We could end tonight, so let's go all out. That can happen every day, so every day.
It's true. Everyday pasta.
Everyday pasta.
All right. Thank you guys for watching this recap of our first month on the boat. We hope you enjoyed it. Charity actually has prepared a special aerial performance for you on the way out.
See, tell them what to do.
Smash the button! Smash it!
If you liked our video, like and subscribe to our channel.
Like and subscribe
If
and press the button.
Here, Oakley, you try it.
Okay. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell.
Perfect.
There
That was
we go.
good.
Thanks.
Alright, is that it?
I'd like to say something about the boat. I think it's actually pretty cool living on a boat. I think we may not like be like the best right now, but like when we actually start traveling and going to other places, it's gonna be really fun and exotic.
Oh, yeah. You're excited about traveling.
Yeah, I'm really excited.
Is
about
living
traveling.
on the boat just a little bit hard right now? It's so hot.
It gets pretty hot sometimes and not that much space to do stuff sometimes. Yeah. 'Cause our room is kind of just like, it's just kind of on the crawl everywhere. You can't really walk around and do stuff. Yeah.
It is kind of cramped.
It's kind of, we kind of actually like went to like a big house, and then we went, well, not a big house, but we went to a house, then the apartment, and then a boat. It got smaller every time.
Next, we're just gonna live in a closet.
There's maybe a floating closet in the middle of the sea.
Kind of what it is
That's
right
kinda,
now.
Yeah, because there's a lot
Alright.
of storage.
Bye bye. Bye 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 bye.
That's a little bit about our family.
This is like the first evening we haven't had rain in a while, so I got my hoopy out. Do some hoop.
Mommy, start spinning now.